Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money online with just an investment of 30,000 naira. Alright, so I was able to do this myself, and with just 30,000 naira, I was able to make over 130k within the pace of 30 weeks. Okay, and I was able to do this using just my mobile device. All right, so with just your phone, your laptop, or your desktop, you can actually make money online and make over 100k or over 130k using this platform I'm about to share with you, and you can do this on a monthly basis. All right, so if this is something you'd like to do, if you're interested, if you want to make money this way, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so like I said, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money online with just an investment of 3,000 naira and make over 130k on a monthly basis. Now, the reason I'm able to show you is because I myself have been able to make this kind of money, and all that is required from me is just an investment of 3,000 naira, my mobile device, and a clean internet connection. Okay, so far you have all these requirements. There's no stopping you from making money from this platform. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to up onto my dashboard and show you proof that this actually worked for me, and if this worked for me, this can actually work for you. Okay, all that you need is just your mobile device and a registration fee of 3,000 naira, and you are set to make money from this platform. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to up over to my computer, then show you how you yourself can make money from this platform. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open my dashboard. I'm going to open my wallet here so you can actually see how much I've been able to make from this platform. So as you can see, in total, I've been able to make over 132,856 naira. So this is my current balance, and I was able to make this within the pace of 30 weeks. All right, so as you can see, the name of the platform is actually Owodeli, and for you to create an account on this platform, you're going to have to pay the registration fee of 30,000 naira. So once you've created your account, you've made a payment of 3,000 naira, your account is going to be activated and you'll be given access to the daily jobs on this platform. All right, so to get started, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So what you want to do is just go to the description of the video on my YouTube page, then click the link, create an account for yourself, activate your account, then gain access to the daily tasks on the platform. All right, so as you can see, so these are the kind of tasks they have on the platform that can actually make you money when you start doing them. So the first one here is follow an Instagram account. Okay, so when you follow someone on Instagram, you're going to get paid for it. Okay, so the current payout for this is low. Okay, so as you can see, the payout for this is 10 naira, and if you scroll down, you're going to see another task that you can actually do. So this one is Dodo Pay sign up, and for this you're going to get paid 100 naira on each sign up. So we have another one here which is Spam Play sign up, and you're going to get 200 naira. So we have Share It Light. So this is this, once you've done it, is going to pay you 100 naira. Okay, so we have the one of 30 naira, we have the one of 50 naira, we have the one of 100 naira again, we have the one of 100 naira, we have the one of 50 naira, we have the one of 750, and we have the one of 500 naira. So these are the tasks that you do on this platform that actually pays you the money. Take for example, you are able to complete a task of 5, which is going to pay you 200 naira. So 200 naira multiplied by 5 is 1,000 naira in that day. Okay, so if you are investing with 3,000 naira and within 3 days you are able to do like 15 tasks that pays you 200 naira, so I'm sure within 3 days or 4 days you're going to recoup your investment and make your profit. Okay, so these are how you can actually make the money. Okay, so there's additional way at which you can actually make money on this platform. Okay, so the starter plan is 3,000 naira, so they have additional plan which is Owodeli Plus. Okay, so the Owodeli Plus gives you the ability to promote other people's products. Okay, so once you are able to promote other people's products, you'll be able to make affiliate commission from the product you are promoting. Okay, and whenever you refer someone also to this platform, Owodeli is going to pay you around 1,500, and this is the money you can make, and this is the money you can cash out immediately. So far your balance is up to 5,000. All right, so these are the list of products they have in the Owo Daily Plus package. So like I said earlier, if you are to go for the Owo Daily Plus, this is going to cost you around 13,000 naira, not 10,000 naira. All right, so the starter plan is going to cost you 30,000 naira, and you're going to be gaining access to the daily tax I showed you earlier. So this is going to cost you around 13,000 naira, and these are the kinds of products you can promote in the Owo Daily Plus. So whenever you promote this kind of product, you're going to get your own affiliate commission. So as you can see now, these are currently the hot products on the platform. So if you have to promote the if you have to promote part of the hot product, so the first one here is the affiliate accelerator course, you're going to gain you're going to receive an affiliate commission of 20,000 naira instantly. Okay, so if you have to promote the second one, the second one is going to pay you around 1,000 naira, and this one is also going to pay you around 1,000 naira. So this is going to pay you around 5,000 naira, and this is going to pay you around 2,500 naira, and this is going to pay you around 8,000 naira. All right, so these are the kinds of ways you can actually make additional money with Owo Daily. So the affiliate program attached to the Owo Daily is also a plus way for you to make additional income with Owo Daily. So part of the feature product here is also what we have earlier in the hot product. Okay, so you can promote any of these products and make your own affiliate commission, so you can make as high as 35,000 naira. All right, so whenever you promote this product, as you can see, your affiliate commission for this product is going to be around 35,000 naira. All right, so if you click on it, once you click on it, you'll be able to see where you can actually copy your affiliate links to promote the product. I'm able to do this because I later upgrade my account to the Owo Daily Plus, but I started with the first package, which is that of 3,000 naira. All right, so here you can copy your affiliate links, and whenever you promote this product, your affiliate commission is going to be 35,000 naira. All right, so this is basically how you can make money with Owo Daily. All right, so what I want to do now is I'm going to go over to the jobs area, then show you how you can actually go about the jobs, how you can perform them, and how to make money from them eventually. So as you can see here, I think they've added new jobs to hit. So what we have here is retweet my tweet, and for this you're going to make 10 naira, and for Instagram comments, this is also going to pay you 10 naira. Follow Instagram, this is going to pay you 10 naira, and we have the one of 100 naira, the one of 200 naira. So take for example, let's say I want to do the one of Instagram comments. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on apply here. All right, so once you click on apply, is going to bring out the job details. Okay, so it says the worker needed for this is 50, and currently 8 have applied for the job. All right, so there's plenty of room for you to perform this task. So what you want to do is you want to come to the job instruction area here. So it says click start job. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on start job here. Okay, and this is the proof that is needed for the job. So once you've done the job, this is what they need. Proof needed by employer, your Instagram username, that is the Instagram account, the username of the Instagram account you use to drop the comments on the job. All right, so what you want to do is you want to click on start job here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, open it on another tab. Then once you finish the job, all you simply need to do is just drop your Instagram user ID here. Okay, so this is the actual post. So all I'm supposed to do here is just to scroll down, then drop a comment on this post. So once I drop the comment on this post, the next thing I want to do is come back to Owo Daily, then drop the Instagram username I used to drop the comment. Okay, so after that, you're going to click submit proof. So once you click submit proof, they're going to review it, and once they review it and they say it's valid, they're going to credit your commission to your dashboard, and you can see how much you've made around here. All right, so this is basically how you can do that. So if you want to do another job, all you simply need to do is just go back, then scroll down, then create, then click on whichever of the jobs you want to do. So take for example, look at this. This is going to pay you 200 naira if you do this. So I'm going to click on this. So this is just a sign up tax. Okay, so what the total workers needed for this is around 12, and I think 9 have applied already. So if I want to do this, I can still apply, and the commission for this is 200 naira. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to download this Palm Pay app, then create an account with them, drop your phone number. Then once you've done that, okay, so this is the proof that is needed. So what you simply need to do is just follow this proof here. Okay, so and enter the proof here. So this is actually straightforward. Okay, so this is all you need to do, and you're going to have your money instantly. So you can perform up to 5 of these, and so for example, you are performing up to 5 of these, and each one is paying you around 200 naira. So that is around 1,000 naira on a monthly, on a daily basis. Okay, so in a week, that is going to pay you around 7,000 naira, depending on how active you are on the platform. All right, so this is basically how you can make money with Owodele. And for you to get started, all that is required of you is just 3,000 naira, your mobile device, and a clean internet access. Okay, so once you have all these requirements, you are set to make money from this platform. All right, so for you to get started, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So all you have to do, just go to the description of the video, click the link, and once you click on the link, you're going to see a page like this. All right, so the next thing you want to do now is you want to click on become a member. All right, so once you click on become a member, it's going to bring out a simple form. Okay, so all you simply need to do is enter your full name here, then your email address, your phone number, select your country here, then your state, then your account name, that is where they are going to send your money to. So once you started making money on this platform, they're going to have to send the money to your bank account. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put your bank name here, then click on agreed, select your bank here, then put your account number here. So what you want to do, you want to enter your date of birth, your sex, then create your username, your password, and after that, click on submit and complete registration. So after you clicked on this, it's going to bring out the page where you can actually make payments to activate your account. So once you've activated your account, you are set to start making money from this platform. All right, so this is very easy. So within 2 to 3 hours a day, you can actually sit down when you are not working, then use your mobile device to create tax, to perform tax on this platform, then make money on a daily basis. So there's nothing like you are broke, because now this is a clean platform for you to start making money easily. All right, so this is exactly how you can go about Owodele, then start making money on a monthly basis. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, please drop them in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.